Hey guys, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen. Recipe for today: some coffee, brown stew, chicken foot. So I'm going to show you how I prepare my recipe. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. So recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable. Remember, coffee, brown stew, chicken foot. Up my people, I'm gonna make some jerk sauce. So I have some onion, garlic, pepper, pimento, ginger, scallion. You can see right there. So we're going to blend this on some garlic, right? So we're going to make some jerk sauce. So we're going to blend it, right? Yeah, people can see I'm one jerk sauce. Hey guys, welcome back to that cooking video. Recipe for today: some coffee, brown stew, chicken foot. I'm gonna show you all my ingredients let me use in my recipe. I have vinegar to wash the chicken foot right there. We have some jerk flame seasoning right here. You can see I have some sauce. We have the Maggi. And also the Maggi again. We have the browning. We have the garlic, scallion, pimento seed, Irish, carrot, bell pepper, onion, thyme. We have a fry plate and the rice and peas. We have some scallion right here. And some hot pepper. We have some cowpeas, pimento seed, and garlic. You can see coffee here. So remember, coffee, brown stew, chicken foot. The recipe I got nice, tasteable, eatable, delicious. Remember, me it's a 7-time rise, 7-time fall. I don't believe in the falling thing. I mean, I found out for that to see it. Starting by adding some vinegar to the water, right? Starting by removing the nail from the chicken foot, like this. So you're going to remove that part here, cut it with the knife like this. Make sure the knife sharp, like this. So you remove that. Yeah. Next one like this again. See there, remove it. Remember to remove the nail. Like this. Another one here, remove these. Remember to the knife to sharp, so if the knife don't sharp, you can't remove these. Remember to take out the sharp part, claw, the nail part here. Yeah, cut it like this. Coffee, brown stew, chicken foot. So it's nice, tasteable, eatable, delicious. Yes, my people, see chicken foot and wash and pretty and clean there. Yeah, man, so I'm going to season them, so I'm going to show you step by step, right? We're going to rinse them back off like this and some running water. So you can see I have some garlic here, pimento seed, some all-purpose, some chicken seasoning. You have the browning right here, like this. Well, I'm wash out the browning back, the browning finished, I'm wash out the back like this. You have some blem, jerk season. So we're going to add it on like this. Some coffee, so we're going to add something like this. Coffee, brown stew, chicken foot now. So we're going to massage it like this. This recipe I got nice and eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember to subscribe, right? And please watch the video to the end, like and share. going to make that chicken foot. I go and stay for 10 hours. Nice season. Go and well soak. Season and thing, alright? So I'm going to put the chicken foot in these. Stay for 10 hours, right? Yeah, man. So I'm going to tie it up. Put it for 10 hours. Spice and things in there. My peeps, 10 hours to stay for, alright? Yeah, man. 10 hours. Yeah, my peeps, there. Dry bone coconut this now. Great, great, you see? Yeah, man. Because it's the original dry bone. When I make coconut oil, these are use dry bone one. And native is it known as native dry bone, native coconut. Yeah. Alright, people see there? Native item alone, so I don't use the rice and peas seed. So I got the quantity, right? Not really enough. Yeah, my people see there? Got alone now, not really enough, you see? Yeah. I got some pimento to my oil now, some pepper, some garlic, flavored oil. One stir fry. One flavor oil, right? So I'm going to add some coffee to it, right? I'll show you step by step now, people. So I'm going to flavor it up, right? With more coffee. See chicken foot here now. I'm going to add it to it. So these chicken foot soak for 10 hours. I'm going to show you how to come out. Remember, coffee chicken foot. So cover it, make it go and stir fry, right? Stir fry 15 minutes. People see them there. So I'm going to stir fry them for 15 minutes, right? So I'm going to show you step by step. Like go and stir fry 15 minutes. Check point on now. Yeah, man, so I want to next update point again. Recipe I got nice one and eat it. Taste it. But them name chicken foot. Them fat. Yo, I got deal with them. I got somebody deal with them. I'm going to catch up the color and I'm going to catch the color. Someone them down and pretty as it. So I don't know. But these 10 colors are white and ugly. You see? Yeah, man. Some people out there run water, but they are hungry, I don't even know. Alright, okay, then go and stir fry some more. Some people so them pretty and look eatable. So I'm going to add some scallion and some green onion to it. I'm going to add some water, right? Like these, so I'm going to push it for 5 minutes. I'm going to push it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to push it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to push it. I will look up on it and give an update, right? Yeah. People get the pressure here. Yeah, man, it come up, you know. Come up, you know, it whistle like a peanut cat, you know, man. You know, say if you know that good, it go bust, you know. Alright, my people, see, just start, you know, see? And your man, it's a pressure, you know, so in 5 minutes to run for. Faster. Alright, we keep it for 5 minutes now, so I'll take it off now. I'm putting up some water. Like this. Turn on the pipe, pull it down. Yeah. This is my new way. I can't wait to tell it cool. It's the faster way. So these take less than 2 minutes. Less than call it about, yeah. Call it about 1.5 minutes. And less than that, because it's done already. See? So I'm going to open like this and check it and see what's going on. Hold it for steel. See the fork sharp here. Sharp fork, you have to test it and then soft. You can see if I can go through, you see, soft, so you see, look, you can see. It's about 5 minutes to get. You want to have this heat, alright? We get the chicken foot now. Broader pot. I buy coffee chicken foot. What I want to have some carrot here, bell pepper, and I tend to add to it. Tend to add some ketchup to it. Add some barbecue sauce to it. I'll add the these, not really now. Just to flavor it. Like this. So we're going to make this go and cook for the next 10 minutes till the vegetables and cook out now and spice up. Nice. And go down to gravy. Remember coffee, brown stew, chicken foot. It's a recipe I got nice one. Then people see it, just start boil up, you know. You can see it. So I'll add some sugar to it. Little sugar to flavor it. Then bring out the flavor, you know. It's a different flavor, spice and nice. Alright, when that go and cook now. Spice then go and cook out and think. Soft and nice. So just give that one 8 more minutes. Update on the chicken. Yeah, man. So I show you step by step in the car. So I go down to gravy, you see it. I want to spice and cook out. Oh, one them. So I say, we pot of it done proper, complete. So when this pot done, you know, say nice, tastable, presentable. Great season we are using, you see it. Yeah. Remember Jamaican cooking lumberjack, you know. You see it. So if you go and go down to 6 more minutes to see it, want to go right down to gravy. Another update on it, you know. So I want fake coffee chicken foot. Update, you know, man. Spice them, cook and thing, you know. Yeah. Still on about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Alright, I'll give you 2 minutes more. You see, go and go down. Yeah, my people like him ready, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, man, coffee chicken like him ready, you know. Let him look so. Him still look watery, man. He want to come together some more, man. No, lumberjack. The gravy still look watery, man. You see it? Yo, watch you know. You know what? Give him 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. And they come together the right way. Yeah, my people, see there? Coffee chicken food ready. You can see carrot and the Irish. Yeah, man, presentation to them. Pretty eatable, tastable. Like it's ready, and you know what I say? Yeah, man. This is there. Chicken food ready, you know. You see rice, yes, yes. So I say, yeah, man, some cowpeas rice. You know what I say? Cowpeas rice. Cook with coconut juice, not powder, no coconut juice. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people, see recipe ready now, you know? Yeah, man. Recipe ready and ready. Yes, my people, see there? You can see it, man. Coffee brown stew chicken foot is it. Yeah, man, rice and cowpeas there. Fried plantain. You can see Irish and carrot. You can see it right here. Yeah, man. Eatable, tastable, delicious. These recipes take 3 hours to cook between the rice and peas and chicken foot. And between to season up everything, 3 hours and all the recipe ready and now, so dinner time. See there, coffee chicken foot there, fried part now, so you can see spice them like and thing. You can see rice and peas, so I'm gonna taste it now and tell you. Nice, but it's hot. Blaze it, that blaze, go eat that pull off it. Just come off of the fire. Yo, cream still that. Mm? Mm. Nice, delicious. Eatable and tasty. Mm. Mm.